Are you looking at how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on Android phone? Don't worry, in this video guide I will show you best ways to restore WhatsApp chats on Android or Samsung phones. So let's go ahead. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restore WhatsApp messages on Android using Google Drive. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Now, reinstall the app and log into it using phone number. Here, when a pop-up occurs to restore message history from backup, click on Restore. Method 2. Retrieve lost WhatsApp messages from local backup. The WhatsApp app creates local backup automatically every day at 2 AM and stores them in device. You can restore messages easily. First, go to File Manager or download if it's unavailable. Under File Manager, move to stcard/WhatsApp/databases. Here, rename your backup file from zgstory.iemmdd.1.db.crypt12 to mzgstore.db.crypt12. Now, launch Google Drive and choose Backups. If there is a backup file with phone number, click on three-dot menu and click on Delete Backup. Finally, reinstall WhatsApp and at the setup process, a pop-up will occur to restore from backup file. Simply click on Restore option. Method 3. Recover WhatsApp messages from archived folder. Follow the steps. First, launch WhatsApp and move down to Chat screen at bottom and click on Archived. Now, click and hold thread that want to restore and click on Unarchive option. Method 4. Restore lost WhatsApp media files on Android. First, go to File Manager on your phone. Now, go to Internal Memory, WhatsApp, Media and then WhatsApp Images. You will see all pictures or videos received or sent in the app. Check your lost ones. Method 5. Use a professional recovery software. If you are still unable to restore WhatsApp messages on Android, then go for Android Data Recovery Software. It's easy to use program that restore WhatsApp chats on Android along with data without backup.